I go shopping at the store. I visit the supermarket.
I pick up a trolley. Sometimes I use a basket.
I choose a bottle of water. I also get some milk. I buy sugar. I buy rice. I put cookies in my cart. I add a box of eggs. I look for bread. I buy fresh meat. I buy cheese. Some items are cheap today. This product is on sale. I need help. Can someone help me?
Sure, I can help.
Hi, I'll get in line. Of course, I'll be right with you.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. I place my things on the counter.
Great. You can pay now.
Thank you.
Cash?
I pay with cash.
Card?
I pay with a card.
Phone?
I pay using my phone.
I take my receipt. I pack my bags. I carry my bags home. Shopping is finished.